Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video, part of my 31 days of Halloween. Today's video is in collaboration with MODA brushes. It is the final video in collaboration with them. Please go show them some love, and make sure if you guys are gonna purchase anything from MODA brushes or Royal Langnickel, make sure to use my code Julia, Julia, for some money off. It has been so amazing being able to have the opportunity to collaborate with them throughout the entire month, and I hope you guys enjoyed the looks that I created with them. For today's video, we have this dark angel. I did this a really long time ago, I think 3 years ago, as a Halloween costume with two of my best friends. I'll insert a picture right here. And funny story, I actually put it on. I did the makeup on all three of us, and it lasted about 20 minutes before I got a drink spilled on me at the bar. So here we are again in 2018. I wanted to recreate it for you, and here we are. What do you guys think? So if you guys would like to learn how I got this dark angel makeup, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're starting off this video with our face and our eyes already done. What I really like about this look is that you can kind of make it your own and do whatever you want with it. You can do a dark angel or an angelic angel. For mine, I just went with a classic smoky eye and base, and I'm jumping into the multi-purpose brush for some blush from MODA, and then their highlight and glow brush for some highlights. I then added some jewels onto my face. All of these are from Michaels. I'm just gonna add these all over my entire neck and chest area. Some of them take a little bit to get to like stick on. You might need some lash glue or some spirit gum to get them to really hold, but for the most part they stay on pretty well. So I just picked these up at Michael's, and I also picked up some like single rhinestones to kind of add to it, and you can see me using some glue to get some of them to stick down.
Ryan Little.
So then once I'm done putting all of the rhinestones and crystals on my body, I'm gonna move on to some glitter. I'm using the same brush I used before, the highlight and glow brush, and I'm just going to be tapping some glitter all over my chest and neck, a little bit on my face. And to get this to stick, you can use like hairspray or you can use setting spray. Either one has worked for me in the past. For the lips, I decided to just go with a nude. I'm lining my lips with the Urban Decay lip pencil and then filling them in with a Kylie lip gloss, and this is in the color So Cute. And that completes this look, you guys. It's really easy, super simple, and comes together really quick just from a basic makeup. Thanks guys so much for tuning in and watching. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked this look, and if you do recreate this look or you wear it as a costume, please make sure to tag me, #BeautyByJulia, or send it to me in a DM or send it to me on Facebook. Whatever you want to do, I want to see it. I love seeing your recreations. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen, and check out all of my other Halloween videos and Halloween tutorials and other tutorials and fun stuff on the side. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.